Also in the bathroom, we're going to be addressing the trash can. I put one in there, and I always have an extra bag at the bottom for the guests if needed. Perfect. Alrighty, we're going to be doing the countertops, the drawers, the mirror, and the sink. So for the mirror, I love to use a glass cleaner and the paper towel. Before I wash the sink, I like to make sure there is no dust or lint on the light fixtures. I take my cleaning towel and a little bit of water, and I hold it and I wipe it as so. Perfect. And then I'm going to start with cleaning the sink. So I have another little scrub brush. I'm going to spray the whole countertop, move everything including the soap dispenser off. And I'm just going to spray. I love this little scrub brush for around nooks and crannies in the faucets to get everything out. It's great for these little plugs. I like to actually pull out and clean as well in the sinks and make sure that I'm getting all the way down in there. And I just continue to clean. I usually do have the sink running because a lot of times there is things that need to be rinsed out, like toothpaste, hairs from shaving, etc. I'll just go, I get in between the counter and the backsplash. And then when I'm done, I take a cleaning rag and I wipe off all the excess water, etc. Perfect. The soap dispenser, we're gonna make sure it's all the way full. I love to rinse off the whole dispenser. There's usually excess soap from the last guest. Sometimes I use that little scrub brush to really get in on the soap dispenser and make sure there's no soap on it. It's all the way full. I present my hand towel as so. I have a washcloth placed in it. Please see this tutorial for how to do that.
Towel folding. Let's give a really unique fold to your hand towel today, shall we? Let's first lay down our towel here with the tag side up. Now follow the way I fold this here. Let's fold this into thirds. Now we'll fold this into half. Now, here's a washcloth. Now follow the way I fold this here. Now we'll fold this into half. Wow, this looks wonderful, doesn't it?
In the drawers, I have washcloths. I have a hairdryer. Now bathroom drawers, I always make sure there's no hair, makeup. I love using a vacuum to make sure there's no debris in any of the drawers. Underneath the sink, we need to make sure that there are 2 extra rolls of toilet paper and 1 towel in that cupboard. I always make sure to do a nice wipe down of the whole vanity, as toothpaste and dust collects in these little nooks and crannies. I always wipe off all the handles for the guests and make sure it's guest ready. For the toilet paper that's being provided on the holder, If it is more than halfway full still, I like to take off a little bit because the last guest probably touched it. And we're just going to triangular fold that last square. So I'm just going to bring that there. This is the first fold. And I'm going to bring the little toilet paper over there. Second fold. And that's just gonna hang. Perfect. If you come into the bathroom and the toilet paper roll is less than halfway full, please put it in your cleaning caddy and take it back to the cleaning warehouse.